I'm going to get the taillights started here. I made my first bolt standoff, which gives me a plane to stick a backing on. And of course this is symmetrical, so I'll be able to use the same template for one side as I do the other. I'll just flip that over to so I can do that for the other side. And I still got this one to do. So I'll take a piece of fiberglass, probably cut it to a similar shape as that, and that'll be the back. And then got to create some sides for that. And then after that's done, that'll be a pocket which I'll be able to stick inside there. So that's the plan anyway. I got this done up here underneath the hood. So that leaves a nice little pocket for the wheel in there. Hopefully this isn't too close. If it is, I'll move it. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. I got the bulb seal all the way across and started working on the tail lights. Got the little backing plates made, and I kind of just have this encased with thin piece of cardboard, and that way, when I peel that out of the fiberglass, there'll be about that much gap in between the light and this little shell. So I don't know, I'm just winging it. Never really done anything like this, so we'll see what happens. So here's the third one. Starting to figure out how to do it a little bit better. Got the pieces cut out. I'm only going 2 layers deep. This one is 2 layers deep, and it's going to be plenty thick enough. Pretty sturdy, pretty strong. This is the first one I did, and it's beefy. That thing turned out way too thick. But whatever, I'm not gonna redo it. That's what it looks like. Turned out pretty good. And I'll hog that out on the inside, finish it off with Bondo. It'll be nice and smooth and flat. And I'll cut out a hole in there and then mount this pocket to the body, and then I'll have a nice little spot to put the tail light in and out. But yeah, should be pretty good, just like that. So get this one done. I got one more. And there they are, ready to go. Seems like it should work pretty good. So now I got to get everything centered up, figure out exactly where I want it to go in the car here, and get it going. Not sure how far apart I want those. I might have to cut into there, bring it together more. Or maybe that's as far apart as I want them. So I'll probably have to cut into them a little bit. Here we go. Got the hole carved out, and start getting the first one set there where I want. Try to figure out how I'm going to set that in there. So, one at a time.